In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work both feet at the same time in plantar flexion with a long resistance band. So firstly, what I want you to do is come into a position where your knees are bent. This is going to bring your feet closer towards your body, so it's easier to put the band around the forefoot of your feet. From here, you're going to come out straight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to pull the band towards me. The more I pull the band, the more resistance there's going to be, and the heavier resistance band you use, the harder the exercise is going to be. So from here, I'm going to point the feet away from my body, slowly and controlled bring them back in, and then slowly point the feet away. Now you can imagine if you used to put the band too high, it's going to flip towards you, so make sure you are putting it on just beneath the toes and you're not pulling too hard to start off with. If you pull down as well, you shouldn't get any flicking back of the resistance band. If you're pulling up, it is going to make it more susceptible for injuries and things like that. So just make sure when you're in that range of motion, you are pulling down as opposed to pulling up. That is how to work both feet in plantar flexion with a long band.